आज मैं अपने ज़िंदगी का पहला बिजनेस क्लास फ़्लाइट ले रहा हूँ, वो भी एक लग्जूरियस दिल्ली ट्रिप के लिए। सो आई एम करेंटली एट टर्मिनल 2 इन बैंगलोर एंड मेरे को बहुत ही सस्ते रेट पे एक बिज़नेस क्लास अपग्रेड मिल गया। सिर्फ 8,000 रुपये एक्स्ट्रा पे करके मेरी इकोनॉमी टिकट को इन लोगों ने बिज़नेस क्लास में कन्वर्ट कर दिया। सो आई थॉट दैट्स अ स्टील डील एंड आई टुक इट। ठीक है, इफ़ नॉट नाउ देन व्हेन विल आई एन्जॉय माई सेल्फ। So this is a solo trip. Come join me on this luxurious adventure. Now मेरे business class ticket के साथ मेरे को Air India का lounge access भी मिलता है, but I am running a little late. अगर मैं अभी lounge की तरफ गया तो I won't make it on time to my flight. So that's a little disappointing. I could not make use of the lounge. अगर मेरे को lounge access मिलता तो मैं 8,000 का तो खाना ही खा गया होता। द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट फ्लाइंग बिजनेस इज़ द प्रायोरिटी चेक इन। आप एयरपोर्ट आओ एंड सीधा आपको अंदर फ्लाइट में ले जाएंगे। नो वेटिंग, नो नथिंग व्हाट्सोएवर। इट्स हैसल फ्री। You know, one thing about sitting in business class is that you are seated in the front and everybody passes by you. So you're literally just sitting there like one boss man, like, look at me. So first, I am served one apple juice. So because this is a morning flight, the options on the menu are quite limited. आप देख सकते हो that we have very few choices. Alright, so breakfast is served. This is some eggs, sausage, refried beans. I'm not too sure what that is. I have some fruits and some ketchup to go with this along with the strawberry jam. Let's send it. I am assuming today is going to be another 5,000 calorie cheat day. Eggs dry. Lacking some seasoning, but sausage is nice though. Okay, I'm gonna try the Danish now. I remember the one I ate at Neon Market, the chicken tikka Danish. That was too good. Let's see how this compares. Soft, nice, but again mild on the flavors. So मैंने एक चाय भी ली है, basically just a masala tea. I've got some cookies with it as well. चाय सेक्सी है भाई, जुकाम में बढ़िया लग रहा है चाय। So I just landed in Delhi and literally airport के बाहर निकलते एक तो भाई what the fuck is the weather here? I am dying. And the first thing I see after stepping out is a fight. I just saw a taxi driver and somebody just arguing. So guys, I've booked a Uber Black because this is going to be a luxury trip and I want the best of everything. Right, so time to go to the hotel room. I'm still sick, if you can't tell, but I'm hoping that the warm temperature will help. I think क्या हुआ था, a few days back I got drenched while playing cricket and that is why I caught this cold. Classic, before traveling I always get sick. Right. Where is the check-in? Oh my god, this place is beautiful, guys. This is a beautiful lobby, my bobs. Now where do I go for check-in? I have no clue. Okay, there. I am now just waiting in the lobby, which by the way is beautiful. Taj Palace, Delhi. Lobby is beautiful. Wow. But इवन एट सच अ प्रेस्टिजियस प्लेस यहाँ पे लोग एम की गाली बी की गाली फ़ोन पे दे रहे हैं ज़ोर ज़ोर से. सो आई गेस दैट्स अ वेरी डेली थिंग. Okay, so I think they are a little occupied today, but still I'm waiting for my check-in. Bobby's, this is my luggage ka number. Big man's first solo trip. Time to go to the room. Let's go, my dear Bobbies. Oh, wowzy, wowzy. It is time to do what I do best. Keep my bag, keep my camera. Okay, and let's go. अरे फेस ट्रैक इधर हूँ भाई, इधर. Yeah, so this is the room. Pretty decent. I have a nice view. दिल्ली में इतने पेड़ होते हैं. That's crazy. It's nice. Pretty nice room. Small, compact. I mean, not small. Perfectly average size. ठीक है? We never use the word small on this channel. It is perfectly average sized. Now soon I will be expecting my luggage and मैंने चाय मंगवाई है. Because I have a cold and चाय is magical. भाई चाय आ चुकी है, हमारी मसाला टी. इसके साथ कुछ कुकीज़ भी आए हैं. मैं नहा रहा था जब ये आया. Let's pour ourselves a cup of tea, man. चाय टी लाटे. Let's see दिल्ली की चाय कैसी है. Okay, we've been having some really good tea today. Flight में भी अच्छी थी. This is good. It's my life, whatever I wanna do, it's my life. This is my protein, guys, you know, chai, this is my protein, I can live on this. And for my carbs, I have some cookies. This is not fitness advisor, please don't follow this. एक गरम चाय की प्याली हो और उसको पिलाने वाली हो, सीने से लगाने वाली हो. Loving this. मजा आ गया भाई, मजा आ गया. Oh my god, life does not get much better. Dip your cookie and I don't give a fuck about calories for the next 2-3 days. Why is chai served in such small cups? हैं? क्यों 500 ml चाय नहीं पी सकते क्या? क्यों मेरे को सिर्फ ये 100 ml चाय पीनी है? I want more चाय. What do I do? Okay guys, नहा धो के चाय वाय पी के सच धज के मैं रेडी हो चुका हूँ. And now I will probably just grab a bite here itself in Taj. We'll go to their all-day dining capital kitchen. Just like some small bites and then थोड़ा weather control में आए. Then we will step out for a bit. So how do I go in here? लग रहा हो ना हीरो. अरे तुम्हारा भाई हीरो है तभी तो लगेगा हीरो जैसा. Okay, Bobbies, we are now here. Let's see what we can grab as a snack. अभी बज रहे हैं दोपहर के 4 and of course दोपहर के 4. Why am I so specific with that? And I want to get some protein यार. सुबह से सिर्फ चाय पे जिंदा हूँ मैं. So we will probably get a chicken tikka. Welcome to Capital Kitchen. Embark on a flavorful odyssey around the world. किधर है भाई? Cannot believe that I'm paying 2,000 rupees for an appetizer, but yeah, that's the vibes. My dear Bobbies, I have just paid 1,800 rupees for my chicken tikka and 1,800 rupees for my salad. Why am I doing that? I don't know. I could just step out and get chicken tikka for 400 rupees. I guess I'm feeling fancy like that today. Okay, I'm spoiling myself, guys. I'm spoiling myself with overpriced food. This is the life of OK Mohit, you know. He gets to spoil himself sometimes. Look at this Bangalore boy enjoying papad in Taj, Delhi. Nice. How many calories do you think one papad is? I'd say about 50 calories. Why am I thinking about calories? I'm on vacation. Fuck me. Loser mindset. Thinking about calories on vacation, a loser mindset. That too when you're as lean as I am. Bobbies. Let's give. Okay, going forward, I'm going to refer all of y'all as Bobbies. Okay? Not OK Mohit ke viewers, you are all Bobbies. Now let's see if chicken tikka is any better in Delhi. Test. Okay, I'm not going to judge Delhi based on this. This is average. It's a little dry. But okay, I chose to dine here. You know what's cool? Just across me there's somebody here on a first date. I think they're in their late 20s. The man looks like a business boy. The girl, he's not interested, but she's oversharing. Good to know. And how do I know that the man is not interested? It's because I can clearly see that he is thinking from his dick. He's not into her. अभी मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए बाहर निकल रहा हूँ. I am done chilling in the hotel. Time to head out. I'm thinking, how about we go grab some momos? How does that sound? If you're in Delhi, you gotta get some momos, right? I mean, that's what I've heard from everybody कि दिल्ली में momos बहुत ज़्यादा चलते हैं. So let's step out for a bit and just walk. One thing is for sure, दिल्ली की सड़कें यार, दिल्ली की roads, insane, wow, beautiful. I mean, capital city है, अगर यहाँ अच्छा नहीं होगा तो कहाँ होगा, right? Bangalore में तो nobody gives a fuck. And I have no clue where I'm walking towards. बस निकल पड़ा हूँ बिना किसी मंजिल के. मंजिल मोमोज ही है. निकल पड़ा हूँ मोमोज ढूंढने. I am now at CP and I have no clue what this is. What am I supposed to do? No freaking idea. But I see a lot of clothes stalls. So I have spent the last 1 hour walking around trying to look for something which is appetizing. But no, neither momos nor bhel puri nor any chaat was appetizing at CP. It could be because of the weather as well. I was feeling exhausted, dehydrated and fatigued extremely. And I'm just feeling like my body is collapsing on itself. So I chose not to eat. I'm now going to Pandara Road. Let's see how that is. मैं पता नहीं कब से walking कर रहा हूँ. And I have not seen a single person walking in Delhi. Everybody is traveling in their own vehicle or public transport. Anyways, I have now arrived to the place where I'm going to be eating dinner at Have More. Or should we go to Gulati instead? Which one, guys? Gulati or Have More? I have a feeling कि अगर मैं Gulati में जाऊँ तो comments में लोग बोलेंगे कि Have More में जाना था. And अगर Have More में जाऊँ, I have a feeling कि आप लोग बोलोगे कि Gulati में जाना था. I have no clue what to do. Alright, my bobbies, all those who are watching me, we are now at Gulati on Pandara Road. And obviously I've come here for the butter chicken. And I'll be getting some tandoori roti to go with it. Let me ask if they have like a single portion of butter chicken. Half portion of butter chicken, 935 rupees. And अगर आपको gravy extra चाहिए तो 450 rupees. That's crazy. That is crazy. Order has been successfully placed, my dear bobbies. मैंने order किया है एक तंदूरी रोटी, half butter chicken with bone, not boneless. I'm going with the bone because that is how you're supposed to eat chicken curry, right? And with this, we are doing one Diet Coke. This meal that I'm eating right now is very special. I'll tell you why. This is my first ever solo date. मेरी ज़िंदगी का पहला meal which I'm eating by myself outside of my house. I've never gone out and eaten a meal alone at any restaurant or even a cafe. चाय पी है मैंने कैफ़ेज़ में, कॉफ़ी पी है अकेले, but I've never eaten a meal alone. So it's almost like I am sitting alone, but at the same time I am sitting with everybody else at the restaurant because I am eavesdropping on everybody. I am listening to everybody's conversation, and I'll tell you one thing, the people in Delhi, wow, okay, you guys can talk and you guys talk a lot. The table next to me, bunch of 40-year-old men, शायरी गा रहे हैं, right? It's amazing. I'm not understanding though, I'll be honest with you. I'm not understanding a word they are saying, but it's really fun to listen to them. Almost feels like I'm part of their table. Cheers. Slaps. Straight to heaven. This is a butter chicken at Gulati's. Thank you, sir. Bas. It's finally in front of me. I'm going to taste authentic North Indian food. Authentic North Indian butter chicken. In Bangalore, you don't really get very good North Indian food. So this is going to set the benchmark. Now, जब भी Bangalore वापस जाऊँगा, I know what I should be expecting. Diet Coke slaps though. Alright, Bobby's. One tandoori roti the size of my face. Let's eat. Okay, I'll be honest. Mid as fuck. Okay, average at best. Guys, this is kind of disappointing. Neither is the tandoori roti any special, nor is the butter chicken. Fucking mid as fuck. Some 200 people replied to my story saying you have to try Gulati's. Guess what? I tried Gulati's. It's average. तो भाई ये था अपना Gulati's mid. Good thing I didn't finish the curry. I ate only one roti. Respectfully gave the waiter a 500 rupee tip and left. But yeah, bro, it is what it is. I guess all these hyped places are mid anyways, right? Same in Bangalore. Our Rameshwaram cafe is so overhyped, but it's so mid. Whatever, we are now going to India Gate for a walk to complete our steps. I'm at 15,000 steps. I'll complete 20k today as well. Bobbies, we are now at India Gate. Mera Desh, Mera Desh. Look at that light show. Beautiful, beautiful. Wow. Delhi is beautiful. I am enjoying my own company. This is so fun. This is so fun. I should do more of this, except I can't really afford Taj every time I travel. Unless we get a new sponsor, guys. Subscribe and like this video. Share with your friends, please. Even the smallest thing goes a long way. Okay? So please like, subscribe, comment, engage, please.